probably know that collagen is a vital protein that is naturally present in the skin. It is responsible for making the skin supple and soft. But did you know you can make your own collagen treatment at home? Well, this all-natural DIY face mask recipe helps boost your skin's collagen-producing abilities and can be made with items you already have in your kitchen.
Hello guys, welcome back on the Foodie. I'm Daisy. Collagen improves your skin health, reduces wrinkles and gives youthful skin. As you must be wondering how we can use collagen. Do we apply it or consume it? Well, you can use this collagen face mask to achieve beautiful and smooth skin.
All you need is 2 tablespoons chickpeas, half tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon yogurt, and half teaspoon honey. Add all ingredients to a blender and puree. Apply the mixture on your face and leave it on for 10 minutes.
Now it's time to wash it off.
Rinse with warm washcloth, then moisturize as usual.
इस फेस मास्क के बाद प्लीज अवॉइड एनी सोप और फेस वॉश फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 hours.